How to fix forgotten secret code on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If you have forgotten the secret code on WhatsApp, fear not, you can easily recreate new one. Starting off, tap open your WhatsApp application in your device. So right over here, you need to scroll at the bottom to reveal the lock chat option. Here, tap on the lock chat. Then make sure to verify yourself using your biometric. In the case of a forgotten secret code, tap on the three dot icon that you will see in your right hand corner. From here, select on Chat Lock Settings. You will see the option of secret code right over here. Tap on it. Now, since we have forgotten the code, you will see the option of Turn Off. Tap on this option and simply click on Continue, after which the secret code will be turned off. Now what you can do is you can tap on the secret code, then recreate a new one and tap on Next. Then again go ahead and do a confirmation and tap on Done. So this is how you can fix the forgotten secret code on WhatsApp. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.